Hello class, welcome to Digital Electronics class. Hello class, so today we are going to read about the JK flip-flop. So if you remember the previous lecture, we have discussed about the D flip-flop and we have discussed about the SR flip-flop. So if you remember the SR flip-flop, so in SR flip-flop this was the truth table. Okay, so when the input was 0 0, then it was in the memory state. When I have to store 0, then 0 1 was the combination. When I have to store 1, then 1 0 was the combination. But this last stage 1 1 was not used in the SR flip-flop, which was the problem. So this problem can be overcome in the JK flip-flop. So we will modify the circuit of JK flip-flop. So this is the diagram of your SR flip-flop. Okay, now we will modify the diagram of SR flip-flop and we will make it JK flip-flop. Okay, so let us see how we'll do. So I have modified the diagram. So see what I have done. I have connected this Q. I have connected this Q to K. Okay, see I have connected Q with K, and then I have connected Q complement to J. Okay, so see I have connected Q complement to J. So this modification is required when I am making a SR flip-flop to, I am changing an SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay, so now let us see the truth table. So the whole truth table will be exactly same. When the clock will be 0, so then there will be no change and it will be in the memory stage. So what is the stage? There is no changes. When the clock will be 1 and the J will be 0 and K will be 0, then again there will be no change. Again when J will be 0 and K will be 1, so Qn plus 1 will be 0 and Qn plus 1 complement will be 1. Again when J will be 1 and 0, so it will be 1 0. Okay, this is called a set state. Now let us see what will be the changes when J will be 1 and K will be 1. So when J will be 1 and K will be 1 and clock is already 1. Okay, so suppose if I say that Q was 0 and Q complement was 1. Okay, so now see when this 0, okay, when this 0 will come over here, so it will be how much? It will be 0, it will be 1, okay, and it will be 1. So 1 1 0, it is how much? So first there will be an AND operation. So 1 into 0 will be 0. Then its complement will be 1. So 1 will come over here. Okay. Again let us see what will be happening over here. So this 1 is going over here. So this is 1 1 1 and 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then again its complement will be 0. Okay. So I am having 0 1 as the input. Okay, so the input here is 0 and 1. So if you see carefully, this is up to this much, it is the SR latch using NAND logic gate. Okay, so if you remember the NAND logic gate SR latch, so what was the truth table? So see here, we have discussed in the previous class. So when the input is, what is my input? 0 1. So when my input is 0 and 1, then what is the value of Q? It is 1 0. So what will happen? My input will change to 1 0. Okay, now again see this 1, when this 1 will go again to this K, then what will happen? Again it will change to 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay, and its complement will be 0. So again my output will change into 0. And similarly when this 0 will go here, so 0 into, so it will be 0. So 0 into 1 will be 0 and its complement will be 1. Okay, so my value has changed. So again 1 0 combination, again if you see the SR latch, so again 1 0 combination is giving what? 0 1 as the output. So again I will get 0 1. So you see what is happening. When the previous input was 0, then next output I am getting 1, and when 1 was the previous output, then I am getting 0. So means what? It is changing from 0 to 1, then 1 to 0, then again it will be 1, it will be 0. So 0 1 0 1 0 1. So it is changing or it is racing. So this effect is called as toggling. Okay, so what I can write over here? So what will be my next state output? It will be Qn complement, means the previous state complement. Okay, so if I am getting 1, so what was how I have got 1? Because my previous was 0 and its complement is 1. So in this way you can see that what will be the next state of your JK flip-flop when the input is 1 1. So when J equal to 1 and K equal to 1, then that state is called as your toggle state. Okay, so now let us derive the characteristics table from the truth table. So if you remember, I have told you in the previous class what is a characteristics table. It will give you the what will be the next state. That table basically tells you what will be the next state value if your present state and your inputs are known. Okay, so there are 3 values, Qn, J and K. So 3 variable truth table will be like this: 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, and 0 1 0 1. Okay, so now again I have told you characteristics table is derived from the truth table. Okay, so when J equal to 0 and K equal to 0, okay, when J equal to 0 and K equal to 0, then what is the next state value? It is the value of the previous state. So what is the value of previous state? It is Qn. So I will write here Qn. Then when J equal to 0 1 0 1, then your Qn plus 1 is 0. Then when J equal to 1 0, okay, 1 0, then Qn plus 1 is 1. And when J equal to 1 1, okay, so what is the next state? It is the complement of the previous state. So see, what is the previous state over here? It is 0. So 0 complement will be 1. Okay, so this you have to write properly. Now similarly you will write down the values of the next parameters also. Okay, so now next we will see this is the characteristics table, and again when the input is 1 1, so what is it? Is toggle, means the complement of the previous value, so it will be 0. Okay, so this type of characteristics table you should get. Now we will go to the excitation table. So what is excitation table? If your present state and next state value is known, then what is the input? So that you have to write, or what is the excitation table, or what is the excitation. So 0 0, when Qn equals to 0 and Qn plus 1 equals to 0. So you see here, when this is 0, this is 0, then again this is 0, this is 0. So this state you will take, this state you will take, then no other places. Okay, so J equals to 0, K equals to 0, J equals to 0, K equals to 1. So the K value has changed, so I will put a cross mark over here, and J value is 0 in both the states, so I will put a 0 over here. Okay, similarly you see, when the Qn is 0 and Qn plus 1 is 1. So again you see here, so see I have written the values. So when the combination is 0 1, okay, so 0 1 and 0 1, then J equal to 1 in both the cases. So I have written here 1, and K value is changing, so I have put a cross mark, means don't care. Again 1 0, so black color I have shown here. So here, okay, here it is 1 0 and here it is 1 0. So the value of J is 0 1, then the value of K is 1 1. Okay, so the value of J will be don't care, and the value of K will be 1. Again last combination 1 1. So 1 1, see with this red color. Okay, so what is the value of your J? Once it is 0 and then 1, and the next time it is, what is the value of K? It is 0 0. So J will be don't care and K will be 0. So this is the excitation table. Now let us do the K map of the characteristics table and the excitation table. So this is the K map for this characteristics table. So here I will take Qn and here I will take JK. Okay, so see where we have got 1 1 1 1 then 1. Okay, so I will put it over here. So I will put these values over here. So again let us make the K map. So for me these two pairs will come together. Okay, then these two pairs will come together. So we have two groups. Okay, so let us write down the equation for both. So Qn plus 1 will be equal to, from this the value of Qn is 0 in both the cases, so I will consider it Qn complement. Then what is the value of j? 1 1 in both the cases, but the value of k has changed. Okay, so it will be j. Then write down the value of these two. So the value of Qn is 1, so I will write here Qn. Then the value of j has changed, here it is 0, here it is 1, then the value of k is 0. Okay, so it will be k complement. So this is the equation from this characteristics table. Okay, now again we will write down the equation from this excitation table. Okay, so let us make the K map. First I will take J, then I will take K. So Q1 and Qn plus 1 are the two values. So see, first the truth table of J, you see. So 0 1 don't care, 0 1 don't care. Okay, so this pair will make. Okay, and again for this K map, again it is don't care 1 0, don't care 1 0. So this pair will take place. So this was for J, this was for K. So from this K map, J will be equals to how much? So it will be equals to Qn plus 1, and from this table what will be the value of K? K will be equals to Qn plus 1 complement. Okay, so these are my equations and these are my tables that I have got from the JK flip-flop. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts or any suggestion, you can put it in the comment line.